So this is my sick baby. Her name is Mia. I'm very upset. She wasn't sick when I first met her, but apparently she had surgery, and then I guess somebody put her in a cage and she got sick, very sick. She's been having very coughy, sneezy, breathing episodes, and it's scaring me. Like, it looks like she's having a cough seizure. So I'm gonna try honey, this, and hot water. If you can see the steam, I don't know if you can. Alright, so give me about 2 seconds. Alright, so here goes the lemon juice. Just a little bit. I'm not sure if that's enough, so maybe I'll just put a few more drops. That's about 10 drops now. I don't really have a spoon, so I'm just gonna go off site. That should be about 1. That should be about 2. Alright. Now, of course, I have to add the hot water so all of that can melt. Let me see. I don't want it to burn her, so I had some cold water already in there. I wish I could taste test this for her, but apparently I can't because I'm pregnant, so I'm not even going to dare to do that. But what I will do is see if... Ooh, that's too hot. So I'm going to let that cool off. I'm going to, add some more to it, because I don't want it to taste weird in her mouth. Alright. So that's everything. Honey and lemon and hot water. Yeah, by the time she wakes up from that fake nap of hers, she should be ready to drink some of this. I'm going to give it a few minutes to cool, and if it makes her hungry, I'm going to put more dry pellets in there. Yeah, I'm mad I didn't have a spoon, but oh well. I'm going to update it if she drinks it. Like, I'm going to put it in her face and record her drinking it if she actually drinks it.